Minister, why should the Japanese believe that the UK will stick to the terms of the agreement if it's prepared to renege on an international treaty with the EU?
Well, we haven't. What we have done is we've published the UK Internal Markets Bill, and we're hoping that we never get to because we hope that we get a deal with the European Union that would obviate the need for those provisions to come into place. But it's also really important for the UK government, as you'd expect, to guarantee the integrity of the UK's own internal market, which is what the Internal Markets Bill does. It makes sure that goods and services can flow freely, unfettered between England, Northern Ireland, Wales and Scotland. That's an incredibly important thing for the people of this country and a very important thing for the UK government to secure.
You might not think that you broke any international law, but other countries disagree. Europe, the US in particular, is very concerned about the reneging on the deal with Northern Ireland. What do you say to that?
Well, look, it's I say what I've said, which is the UK's own internal market is the most important thing for the United Kingdom government. And what we've done is that if we don't come to a further deal with the European Union, that we will disapply small elements of the EU law to make sure that we preserve the UK internal market and also which will secure peace in Northern Ireland. We are still, as you've seen today with the deal with Japan, our major international partners are saying the UK is clearly still a reliable country to do agreements with, particularly in the area of trade. So we've shown that actually people do have confidence in the United Kingdom government, and rightly so.
Do you think the EU will walk away at the end of the month if the bill does proceed?
Well, look, I think that's a question to put to the European Union. What we have been absolutely clear is what we're seeking from the European Union is a Canada-style free trade agreement to be very similar to what the EU has granted Canada and actually Japan and others, no more, no less than that. You know, that is what we are seeking. But if there is no further agreement, then we go to trading with the European Union on Australian-style terms, WTO terms. It's a matter for the European Union. You know, do they want to have a trade deal with the United Kingdom, which overnight becomes their second largest trading partner, only just behind the United States? Or do they want to do a deal with us? And if they want to do a deal with us, we're saying we would like similar terms to the deals they have with Canada.